morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's educational video about the Blofin exchange, I'm going to educate you on how to trade with leverage on Blofin. It is very important that you protect all of your trades and you don't use too high leverages, but I'm going to tell you all about this in this video. If you do enjoy this content, then give this video already a thumbs up, and yes, use the link down below to sign to Blofin if you want to start and trade with a leverage, guys. Amazing exchange, Blofin. Go and watch this video now. Before placing any trades, you'll first need to move your funds into your futures account. Open your Blofin app on your phone. At the bottom navigation bar, tap Assets. From there, tap Futures Account. Now tap the Transfer button. Choose where your funds are coming from: funding, spot, or another internal wallet. For example, if your USDT is in spot, set from spot and to futures. Select the coin, in this case USDT. Enter the amount or just tap all to move your full balance. Tap confirm, and just like that, your funds are ready to trade. From the bottom navigation, tap futures. This brings you into the futures trading screen. Here you'll see a familiar interface that looks a lot like spot trading. At the right top, you'll find a candlestick icon. Click on that. Now you see the chart on your screen. You can switch between time frames from 1 minute for scalping to 1 hour, 4 hours, and even the daily chart. On the right-hand side of the screen is the order book. Here you can see buy and sell walls, giving you insight into market sentiment, whether Bitcoin is under selling pressure or if there's strong buy volume. Now let's talk about margin mode. There are two options: cross and isolated. My personal preference, always use isolated. Why? Because it protects your account. If a trade is liquidated in isolated mode, you only lose the margin from that one position. But in cross mode, if your trade gets liquidated, you could lose your entire futures account. Yes, cross gives more flexibility, but the risk is much higher. So my advice, stick with isolated. Next, set your leverage. Tap the leverage button next to the margin mode. For me, I always stay under 10x. Usually I trade at 2x, 3x, or 5x, never higher. Why? Because at 5x leverage, for every $1 of your own money, you're effectively trading with $5. This multiplies both your gains and your losses. So start small, use low leverage, and only scale up if the trade is clearly going in your favor. Of course, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now let's run through two examples: a long trade and a short trade. If you want to trade on Blofin, use my link down below to sign up. By using my link, you will be able to claim special bonuses, huge prizes, but also a deposit bonus if you use this link. Use the link down below here. Use it now. In the order panel at the bottom, choose market order. Let's say I want to buy 0.1 Bitcoin with 5 times leverage. That means I'm opening a position worth 0.5 Bitcoin. I'm using 0.1 Bitcoin of my own capital and borrowing the rest from the exchange. To protect the trade, I'll set take profit at 120,000 and a stop loss at 110,000. Since this is a long, I tap buy long. Now you'll see the full breakdown: market entry, target 120,000, stop loss 110,000, and the leverage of 5x. Now let's look at shorting the market. Again, choose market order. Let's say we short 0.1 Bitcoin at 5x leverage. That gives us a 0.5 Bitcoin position. We're using 0.1 Bitcoin of margin to trade with the power of 0.5. To protect the trade, I'll set take profit at 108,000 and the stop loss at 120,000. Since this is a short, I tap sell short. And just like that, the trade is active. with all details laid out clearly. Market entry, target 108,000, stop loss 120,000, and a leverage of 5x. Whether you're going long or short, always understand three things: the order type, the leverage, and the risk involved. Start small, use isolated mode, and trade with a plan.
That was it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's content. If you learned something from this educational video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family so that they will be educated as well. And if there is something that we can improve, then always leave that down below in the comments so we can read it and then improve our videos. Please use the links down below to sign up to Blofin. That is how you support us back for creating this high-end quality, free educational content. That's why you need to use the links down below. Thanks for watching. I wish you a beautiful day and see you in the next educational video.